Morgantown Creek fishing with the Ned Rig. Let's get it.
Nice. That's it. Don't let him go yet.
I'm not gonna get him.
Don't lose him.
So you talk about what bait I'm using now because I actually know what I'm using.
It's peeing all over you.
Nice first fish of the year for me right there.
Got a stud. What'd I tell you about this spot? Oh, this is a creek stud.
Did you get that on camera?
Yeah. Look at that fish. I'm acting like it's a 10-pounder. Look at that.
All right, so this is right here is why we come to these creeks. Behind me here's the waterfall where I caught him at. I told Jake when we were walking up here that I was gonna catch a good fish in here. I mean, it's no giant, but for the size of this creek, this is a stud. We've been catching dinks all day, but this made the trip worth it right here. Look at this fish.
Oh yeah.
All right, well that's all for today. This wade wasn't really a bust, but it wasn't as good as we wanted it to be. We expected a lot more fish. The water conditions weren't really ideal, so that might have something to do with it. The water was a little high. It was actually a lot higher than what we're used to. That's all right. We have a big trip planned. We should be on some big fish. We'll see. Knowing us, we probably won't catch a fish at all. But if you liked the video, go ahead and give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.